Before the president hit the road, he fired off a series of tweets in response to MSNBC's report on his 2005 tax returns. The president sent out a tweet today questioning the legitimacy of how a reporter, quote, no one has heard of, got a hold of an alleged copy of his taxes. The president's been skeptical over stories with anonymous sources and believes this case is just another instance of fake news reporting. But while one liberal media anchor thinks she may have the scoop, it may actually land her behind bars. Here's more.
What I have here is a copy of Donald Trump's tax returns. We have his federal tax return for 1 year for 2005.
In a quest for ratings, MSNBC secures 2 pages of President Trump's 2005 tax returns. Apparently, through those 2 pages, host Rachel Maddow came to the conclusion that one of the president's top financial backers parked his boat next to a Russian yacht and that President Trump's plane was at the same airport as the Russians' plane. She claims President Trump was able to make money by selling his home for a profit and through other alleged crimes. Maddow also deducted that the president paid the correct amount of taxes, $38 million, but he would have had to pay more if he didn't follow the law. MSNBC, however, could be breaking the law themselves, as federal rules make it illegal to publish an unauthorized tax return or information pertaining to the tax return.
Your taxes.
Came in the mail over the transom, and there is absolutely nothing improper about journalists, if you haven't solicited something, getting it over the transom.
Violators could see a fine of around $5,000, as well as jail time of up to 5 years. Earlier in the day, the White House released the president's 2005 tax returns, as well as a statement pointing out MSNBC's desperation for ratings, saying, quote, the dishonest media can continue to make this part of their agenda. Meanwhile, the president will focus on his agenda, a tax reform that benefits all Americans.